Welcome back to my channel Travel AV. This is Vicky from India. Happy to connect with you all. Welcome to Simonehoeve. Today we are exploring the rich heritage of Dutch cheese and clog making. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. In the last 3 videos of my Dutch countryside tour, I highlighted the group bus tour cost, introduced our guide Mr. Elia and explored the charm of Janse Shans and Adam.
Remember I was telling you on the bus how the Spanish went through this part of the country, and so this was the area where Spanish moved through. That's where the Antwerp is right here, and this is what forced the 150,000 people to migrate north to this area. This is Friesland.
Our guide Mr. Elia gave us an overview of area map, and now I am in the main hall ready to learn about the cheese making. The lady in the black dress ahead of us will be sharing the details about the cheese making process.
And between the wall we put hot water to make the milk warm for 29 degrees. Later we put some rennet in the milk, and that makes the milk thick like yogurt. We start the machine with 3 of those big knives and we mix slowly for an hour. The milk changed in 2 parts, I show you. The liquid part, it's the whey, and the white things up the solid part, it's the curd. The whey is very healthy, in Holland we make a lot of soft drinks from the whey. The solid part, that's what we need to make cheese, so we put it in little mods, and you see the holes in the bottom, and we press them 4 hours and the big wooden cheese press. And then we have the good shape, but without any flavor. The cheese is very young, it's a little bit like a mozzarella cheese, and that's the reason that we put them in water with a lot of salt, and that gives the taste of the cheeses. Then we dry them on the shelves, and after 2 days we put plastic around the cheese. This is to protect the cheese, but also for the export. And it's heavy work because the biggest one, they start at 13 kilo. So we don't need a sports tool because we turn them every day. After 6 weeks we can call the cheese young. 6 months is the medium age cheese, and within a year we have full cheeses. Here I have an Edam cheese for more than 2 years old. You can hear the sound. It's like a stone. So we cannot make slices anymore. We broke it in pieces and then we eat it in the evening with wine or beer. Very delicious. You can also create it like an old Parmesan cheese. And ladies, if you have troubles with your husband, you can throw it. Very well. So my husband, they don't like that I'm working here. So long as the small cheeses are still closed, you can keep it more than 6 months without the refrigerator. Not in the full sun, of course, but normally if it's closed, 6 months. If it's open, 6 weeks inside the refrigerator, so you can keep it very, very long. The 2 famous, Edam and Gouda, taste a little bit the same, only Edam cheese 40% fat and the Gouda 48% fat. That's the only difference between them. We make a lot of cheeses. If you eat this one, you have more fun today, because here I have the marijuana cannabis hashish cheese. And we have also beer to it, but it's a pity.
We are now heading to the next hall to learn about the process of making wooden clogs.
Good morning, everybody. The shoes, the wooden shoes, were made already, we think, in the 12th century. The reason was people didn't have money. So they started to make them out of wood. They used poplar wood. Light, strong, but problem, no machines. Had to be made by hand. Yeah, look here, a lot of work, scrape off the outside first here, you see? Yeah, and then the inside. One day they could make 2 pairs only. When the machines came, many centuries later, one day 200 pair. I'm gonna show you. I have a piece of poplar wood. It is wet, kept under water. You see, it's wet. Now, over here, all of you can see on the screen all that's happening. Yeah, and you here, there's a screen for you on this side. All right. Now, this one I will put in the copy machine first. Okay, and then we're gonna make a copy of this model. But careful, the machine is noisy. Yeah, finger, here as well, mouth, because not like hamburger tastes different. Right. Where are you from?
Virginia.
Virginia, yes, for Virginia people, it's definitely taste of wood. Right. All right, here we go.
The noise is quite overwhelming, but the guide's humor makes up for it. We watch artisans skillfully shape and carve each wooden clog step by step. Each clog is crafted from the wood, representing a piece of Dutch cultural heritage. Now we are heading to the souvenir shop for some free cheese tasting.
Okay, everybody, as I told you, on your left you'll see all the peeling. Yeah. Then we have a lot of souvenirs. I'll show you. Yeah, you have the key ring and the magnet. For example, 5 pair, €8, €8. Right? You have as well all these things here. You can have engraved for free. Come a little bit further. Come a little further so the next group can come in. So, yeah, thank you. Look, all this. I'll show you an example. This is a key ring. Cost €4, but you can have 2 names, a heart and a whatever, windmill flower. Where's the lady? Yes, you can go to the table over there. Papi, go with her, and she can have engraved. Yeah, ask the young man over there. Okay, this one, that booth over there, the toys, and here in the corner you can stay inside the shoe and make a nice picture if you want. Then further you go that way for cheese, wine, and cookies. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Thank you.
Ja, ik moest even hier blijven staan tot Moira terugkwam. So if you want to try the wooden shoes, that's possible. I will help you with your size.
There you go.
If you want to try the leather shoes, it's also possible. And if you have questions, please ask.
Here you can buy souvenirs for your loved ones. This is an incredible experience with this unique shoes, unlike anything I have seen before. You can capture memorable photos with these wooden clocks and enjoy an unforgettable experience with amazing guides. Heading to the next section for a delicious cheese tasting experience. Here we get to sample a range of local cheeses from Gouda to Edam, all aged to perfection. The farm produces both young and mature cheeses, offering a unique flavor in every bite. A visit to Simonehoeve is not complete without tasting their handmade cheese and getting a glimpse into a clog making. That's all about the Simonehoeve tour. Don't miss the upcoming video featuring a tour of Volendam, Marken and ending with a scenic Amsterdam canal cruise. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel stories from beautiful places like this. We'll see you in the next video.